Good day everybody, we will learn and understand another geometry rule in this class. That's going to be what is called as the sine rule. Now if you have a triangle and let me take this as A, B and C, and this is A units, this is B units, this is C units. Now A, B, C are the lengths of the sides of triangle capital ABC. Now if we want to obtain the unknown side, then we have a formula given, what is called as the sine rule. So the formula is as follows. So A over the angle that is featuring opposite to the side A, that's sine of A, is equal to B, the angle that is featuring exactly opposite to the side B, and that is equal to C, the angle that is featuring opposite to the side C. So it's going to be sine of C. At any instant you can use two of these relationships and find out the unknown. You can either apply this to get the values of the unknown side or the angles that are lying between these sides. Now as I always mention to you, the best way to understand the geometry concepts is to do a question. So I have a question here. I got AB to be the diameter of a circle, and I have a triangle here, triangle OAB, such that OA is the radius of the circle and I do not know the radius. I am taking it as x. Now we are given that OB is equal to 10 units. Now the angle at B is given as 65 units. The angle at A is given as 30 units. Now we have to find the radius of the circle. So I have a triangle. I can apply sine rule. So by sine rule, what do I get? This x is required, so take that x divided by the angle opposite to x, that's going to be sine 65, is equal to, I have a known side here 10 units and the angle opposite to that is 30 degrees, so sine 30. So I can just use these two relationship or the connecting ratios. I need to get x, so what I wish to do is I will rewrite this as x is equal to 10 times sine 65 divided by sine 30. Now I know the value of sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 over 2, substitute that. So 10 times sine 65 divided by 1 over 2. You flip this 1 over 2, you get 2 times 10 times sine 65. This is 20 times sine 65. Now I know the value of sine 65, or I would say I can extract this, but since I've got a calculator, what I will do, I will just simply find out the value of sine 65. So that is equal to 0.91. So this is the x value. Or I would say, I can't say this is x value, this is the value for sine. This has to be multiplied with 20. So what I will do is I will take 0.91 and I multiply it by 20. That is giving me x to be as 18.2. So this is the radius of the circle, right? So this means the radius of the circle is equal to 18.2 units. So we have obtained that, and we have just used the law of sines, or sine rule, you can call it like that. So having obtained this, let me move on.